Hi, Year Six. I hope you're enjoying this theme park project this week. So far, you should have designed your theme park on square paper, worked out the budget for how much all the different build costs are going to be, created a logo, created a jingle for an advert, and also worked out your weekly running costs just to keep the theme park running in staff and maintenance, electricity, things like that. Okay, so today, what you're going to be doing, the English side, what I'd like you to do is create an advertising poster for your theme park. So a little bit of art here. Here's some examples from theme parks that you'll recognise: Drayton Manor, Alton Towers. We want you to try and create your own poster for your theme park. Remember to include the theme park name, nice and clear, a logo, and your slogan, and also try and get it to fit your theme or your three themes, maybe depending on the different areas of your park. Okay, so that's your first task, is to create an advertising poster. For the maths, we've done the building work. I'll read through what it says here. So it says building work is now nearly finished, and it's time to start making some big business decisions on your pricing structure. Basically, this is the entry prices that you want to charge. Now you know how much it will cost to run your park each week. You need to work out how much to charge your customers, so that you can make a profit. A profit is, we need to make some money here, right? So we know how much it's going to cost each week. We now need to start making some money back through the prices to enter. So, um, target market. What kind of market is your theme park targeted at? So, do you expect most of your customers to be adults? Do you think your theme park will attract people of all ages and families? Or is your park more suitable for younger children and their parents? It depends what you've got in your theme park, really. These factors will influence how much you charge your customers, um, because obviously, if you're going to have more adults, your pricing structure is going to be aimed at adults. However, as families, you have to think about how you're going to attract families. So, we're going to do some maths. You can read the rest of the instructions on this PowerPoint, but I'm going to go to the sheet to show you what I mean. So it says this sheet, we're going to work out our entrance fees. So it says, how much does it cost to open your park each day, the daily running cost. So this is from yesterday. This is, where is it? Running costs. Yesterday you worked out all the running costs each week, so that's that figure there. Okay, um, that's how much it costs to run your park for 1 week. You then need to divide that by 7, because there's 7 days in a week, to work out how much it'll cost each day to run your park. So this isn't the build costs, this is the running costs from Tuesday's lesson. So what's the weekly running cost? Divide that by 7. For example, if the weekly running cost was £7,000, divided by 7 would be £1,000. Yours, it'd be more than that, okay? Because the weekly running cost will be a bit higher than that. So then it says, once you've worked out your daily running cost, it says, after researching similar theme parks, we predict that for your first few weeks of trading, a sensible estimate for the number of daily visitors would be 750 people. Let's work out how much each potential customer needs to pay to just cover your running costs. So here, you've got your daily running cost, which is that figure there, and you need to divide that by 750. You can do that using your long division, or just put the multiples of 750 on the side and do short division, or you can get a calculator if you need to. I don't mind. But you work out your daily running cost, divide by 750, and then that will give you an answer, and that would be how much you would need to charge people for, if you had 750, so that you could get your daily running costs paid for. So you wouldn't have any profit there. So say, for example, it worked out that you had, let's make this easy. Say your daily running cost was £7,500. Okay, that's how much it costs to run your place each day. If you divide that by 750, 7,500 divided by 750 is going to give you £10. So if you charged everyone £10, 10 times 750 would give you your daily running costs. You pay for everything that needs to run. But obviously there you would have zero profit, and we want to make a profit. Okay, it says that on, I've lost it now, where is it? On here. So that, whatever you work there, do we just charge your customers this price, say £10? No, because your business needs to make a profit. So we need to charge a bit more than that. So then it asks you, how many adults and children do you predict will visit each day? So they're saying that the estimate is 750, so it'd be something around there. So say it could be, you think there might be, you might think there's more, be lots of families, so maybe like a similar amount of adults to children. So you could go 375 and 375, 375 adults, 375 children. Okay? So then it wants you to work out your potential entrance fees, and it gives you some options. So you might decide to charge, I don't know, adults, they have to pay £15, okay, for example. So then you put £15 multiplied by the estimated number of adults would be your total revenue per day from adults. So if you charge £15 there, and you put 375 adults there, 375 multiplied by 15 would be how much money you would make from adults in a day. Okay. Children, you're probably going to charge less. So I don't know, say you charge children £10, and you went for 375 children, you do 375 times by the 10, that would be the total amount of money you would predict you would make from children. Okay. Then your potential profit would be those two numbers added up, okay, take away the daily running costs. So whatever you think you're going to make using this price, add that together for the number of adults from the number of children, add that together, and then subtract the daily running cost, and that will tell you your profit based on that entrance fee. Once you've done that, you can then try a different entrance fee, and maybe put it slightly higher or put it slightly lower, work out again, and then work out your profit again. Remember, if you put the entrance fee really high, you're probably not going to get lots of people come. Okay, so what you'd want to do, and it says it on the information, is you want to create what's called a profit margin. Okay, so the prices you charge your customers should earn you enough money to cover your running costs, but then any income made above that is called a profit. So we want to make some profit, so we want to set some sort of entrance fee that creates a profit, but what I don't think you want to do is have a really wide profit margin, because this is what a wide profit margin is, where you create lots of profits. You've got really high entrance fee, and for each person you make more and more money, but this might put people off visiting. So you probably want to create quite a narrow profit margin, where whatever price you choose, if you get the number of people you think, it gives you a small amount of profit on top of your daily running costs. Okay, I hope that makes sense. It's hard to explain on the video, but I hope that makes sense. Is you want to choose a price that comes out slightly above your daily running cost. If it comes out way above your daily running costs, I'm not convinced that you get that many people to come. Okay, so you work that out. You can read these slides, and then that's today's maths, and it'll tell you how much you're going to charge for your entrance fees. Okay, have fun with that. Some good maths there. I'm sure you'll do really well.